Okay, so I want to show you a cool feature in Google Sheets that's called Transposed. And what happens is if you started typing items that you put in a column but you really want to be more in rows, you don't have to start over. What you can do is just highlight what you want to transpose, and so we're going to highlight, right click, copy, or you can do Control C, and then I'm going to put it in the cell here. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go under Paste Special, and I'm going to do Paste Transposed, and see, you can tell it's gone now to the rows, and so I can just delete these items here, and it makes it a lot easier than having to go back and retype everything or just copy and paste every item. So hope this helps. Good luck.